Ethanol fermentation is a process which converts sugars into ethanol and carbon dioxide and is often used to create alcoholic beverages. While wine is produced by fermentation of natural sugars present in grapes, other alcoholic beverages such as beer, whiskey, and vodka are produced from starches such as those found in potatoes. Ethanol fermentation of starch is a two-step process. Starchification is when the starch is first converted into glucose. After that, the yeast consumes the glucose to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide through fermentation. Ethanol fermentation can also be seen in bread dough. The yeast consumes the sugars in the dough to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. It is important to note that the process is anaerobic, which means that the reaction occurs in the lack of oxygen. After making the bread dough, it is placed into a warm oven where the dough cannot cook, but the yeast will convert more sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide. The fermentation reaction can be seen by the expanding of the dough into foam, which results from the production of carbon dioxide gas. According to this article from Scientific American, ethanol brewed from corn through fermentation was used to supply 10% of the U.S.'s automotive fuel supply in 2013. Ethanol produced through fermentation has shown to be a renewable energy source and more environmentally friendly than fossil fuels. However, creating large amounts of ethanol through fermentation is impractical and expensive, requiring $7 billion of funding from the government annually.